friends, today I'm going to be making NIKU-TAMAGO itame. This is one of the quickest recipe I have made for over the years for weeknight dinner. Actually, this is a popular dish at a very famous restaurant like Panda Express. We love it, so we are making it at home. If you find fresh wood ear mushrooms at the market, and if you have a couple of eggs in your fridge, this is the recipe you go for. Cut wood ear mushroom and pork belly into 5 cm lengthwise. Minced garlic and ginger. Beat 3 eggs and add salt and 1 tablespoon of water. The preparation is done, let's get to the cooking. Turn the heat to high and drizzle 1 tablespoon of oil into the pan. Pour the egg mixture and make a soft scrambled egg. Take it out. Clean the pan and heat on high. Add pork belly and cook until no longer pink. Add minced garlic and ginger and cook until fragrant. Add wood ear mushroom and stir fry until cooked through, and add a pinch of salt and pepper to lightly season. Put the eggs back in and cook a few seconds more. Transfer to a serving dish. In the same pan, bring half a cup of water to a boil, add 1 teaspoon of chicken soup powder and half a teaspoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix well and add potato starch and water solution and cook until it thickens up the sauce. Pour over the stir fries. Quick and delicious NIKU-TAMAGO itame is done. It doesn't take long, you don't have to go to buy the takeout, and you are still on the balanced diet. It tastes so good. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thanks for watching.